What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Fabian, where T-Bad stands for tasty, beautiful, and affordable dishes. I just want to say we have a great dish coming at you today. It's fully health conscious, or at least I tried. It's all low-fat ingredients to low-sodium ingredients, and today we're doing, bam, an Italian turkey basil pesto ricotta pinwheel lasagna. This feeds 15 people, and it was only $11. That's right, $11. This was so fun to make, outside of the box thinking as far as doing a lasagna. I just want to say thank you so much to all the love and support. If you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so anytime I submit a video, it sends you out a link. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Fabian. Welcome to the T-Bad channel. Let's get into it. so excited to try this. It only took probably about an hour to make as far as prep and from the time it took it to cook. And I have enough portions for 15 people. And this is only $11. That's crazy. So let's go ahead and get this in our mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me tell you something. This right here. This right here. Oh my god. Guys, this was amazing. Definitely hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. My name's Fabian. Thank you for watching the TBAT channel. Until next time, bye.